Hello again folks, just wanted to do a really quick video on the helping hand, which in my opinion is one of the most underrated tools you can have on an electronics workbench. They're super cheap. This one is made by Velman, which you know is quite a big brand in the hobbyist electronics market, and indeed this one was just £4 including delivery from Amazon. They do come in various styles and with different features, but this is a generic one that you'll see on eBay and available from China, etc. You know, it's a solid, fairly weighty cast iron base, and as a minimum they will have a couple of crocodile clips or alligator clips if you prefer. Sometimes they've got lights and stuff to illuminate your work, and you know, as in this case, they sometimes have magnifying glasses. So yeah, we'll have a look at the magnifier. First of all, it's a 2.5 times magnification, which, as you can see here, hopefully, is perfectly capable of magnifying small surface mount joints. So if you're hobbyist like me, your surface mount skills might not be up to, you know, professional standards, and this allows you just to check your work, you know, if a fault finding, you know, if you're working on a really small pitch sort of surface mount package, you know, that'll help you in identifying any potential shorts or dry joints, etc. So really handy feature. Putting the magnifying glass away, you can take these off as well. You know, you just unscrew or loosen off the end and slide what parts you want on and off as appropriate. Yeah, but using the crocodile clips themselves, you know, again, really handy for working on a board. You know, you can get in about, do stuff, pull stuff off. You know, it gives that extra hand to support your work as you're doing it. You know, it just makes life a bit easier. But where I mostly use these is in soldering wires together. If I'm doing quite a lot, I'm not gifted like Big Clive is. You know, you'll see him soldering. God, I'm struggling just with two things here, but you'll see him with a couple of wires. He'll have a bit of solder in between his other fingers. You know, be coming in with a soldering iron and just making it look really fluid and professional. And I'm very jealous of him that he can do that. But I just don't seem to be able to coordinate these big sausage fingers, and indeed I think sometimes I look like I suppose a drunk octopus. But yeah, I digress. But yeah, what it does allow you to do is solder wires together very, very easily. So what you do is you just basically put them in the alligator clips, align them up like so, you know, so the joint's ready to be made. You can tin your iron, come in with your iron, your solder, just a quick touch, you know, and by the time you put your iron back in the holder, you can release the wires, and you know how much easier. I mean, that's a lovely little joint there. You know, just by virtue of the fact that they've been held perfectly parallel. You know, when you try to do it single-handedly, or you know, holding the wires in one hand, you know, your joint could be like that potentially, becoming a weak joint, and you know, not being able to carry the amount of current you want it to do. So yeah, I've really thought that was worth showing you. Even if you think they're a bit pointless or a bit, you know, I'll just battle through and manage without. You know, at £4 just to have in the workshop, if you only ever use it once in a while, you know, it's going to save you time, it's going to save you effort, it's going to save getting frustrated. You know, just buy one. They're really worth the money. Anyway guys, hope you found that useful. If you did, as always, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon for another video. Until that time, take care of yourselves and all the best.